Welcome! Whether you're a crypto enthusiast or just curious about the latest trends, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the Pi network, one of the most talked about projects in crypto. It's a name you've probably seen pop up in conversations, social media feeds, and even in debates among experts. Why are millions tapping a button on their phones every day? What's the big deal about this app that claims to let you mine cryptocurrency with just a tap? Let's break it down and see what's really going on. Pi Network launched in 2019, founded by Stanford grads with a bold goal: to make cryptocurrency accessible to everyone, not just techies or those with expensive equipment. Their vision was to create a digital currency that anyone could earn simply by using their phone. Unlike Bitcoin, which needs power-hungry computers, Pi lets you mine coins on your smartphone. No special hardware, no huge electricity bills. You can literally earn Pi while relaxing on your couch, commuting, or even while sipping your morning chai. The network uses the Stellar Consensus Protocol, making it energy efficient and easy to join. This means you don't have to worry about technical barriers or complicated setups. Just download the app and start mining. This approach has attracted over 35 million users worldwide, all helping secure the network just by being active. It's become a global movement, connecting people from every continent. Of course, there's been debate. Is Pi real or just hype? Some call it the future of digital money, while others remain skeptical. Critics point to slow development and the lack of open trading, raising questions about when or if Pi will have real-world value. Meanwhile, supporters believe in its long-term vision and see Pi as a chance to be part of something big from the ground floor. Now, in 2026, the Pi core team has dropped major updates, signaling real progress toward an open, tradable mainnet. These updates have sparked fresh excitement and renewed hope among the community. We'll break down these updates, what they mean for you, and what's next for Pi. Whether you're a skeptic or a believer, there's a lot to unpack. Ready to find out if Pi can deliver on its promise? Let's get started and explore the journey together. Grab your chai. Here we go. The story of Pi Network is just getting started. So, what's the big news everyone's talking about right now? In early 2026, the Pi core team took the stage and made a series of game-changing announcements that are set to transform the entire Pi ecosystem. Mainnet migration is now open for 2.5 million more users, bringing the total number of eligible participants to an incredible 16 million. This is a huge leap forward, making Pi more accessible than ever before and expanding the community in a big way. Plus, over 700,000 new KYC slots are now available, directly addressing the biggest bottleneck for users. This means more people can finally verify their identity and join the mainnet, speeding up the process for everyone. The team also rolled out Protocol v23, which activates Rust-based smart contracts. This unlocks the potential for truly decentralized apps on Pi, opening the door for a new wave of innovation and utility. Developers now have access to no-code payment tools, making it easier than ever to build, launch, and monetize apps within the Pi ecosystem, even for those without advanced coding skills. A brand new payments library lets apps integrate Pi payments in under 10 minutes, streamlining the process for developers and businesses alike. All these moves are designed to accelerate adoption, attract more builders, and give Pi real-world utility, helping it become a true digital currency for everyday use. The foundation for a thriving digital economy is finally taking shape, with more opportunities for users and developers than ever before. So, what do these changes mean for you? Let's dive in and see how they could impact your Pi journey. Let's break down and clarify two key terms that are essential for every Pi user: KYC and mainnet migration. Understanding these concepts is crucial if you want to fully participate in the Pi network's future. KYC stands for Know Your Customer. It's a process that verifies each user's identity, making sure everyone is real. This helps prevent fake accounts, fraud, and keeps the network fair and secure for all participants. Without completing KYC, you won't be able to move your mined Pi to the mainnet. This step is mandatory to ensure only genuine users benefit from the network. Many users have been stuck waiting for KYC approval, sometimes for months. But with the introduction of new verification slots, the backlog is finally starting to clear, giving more people a chance to move forward. Once you pass KYC, you unlock the ability to migrate your Pi. This means transferring your Pi from the app to the real blockchain, where it becomes usable cryptocurrency that you can actually spend, trade, or hold. The recent migration unlock for 2.5 million users is a huge milestone for the Pi community, showing real progress toward mass adoption. To get ready, make sure you complete your mainnet checklist in the app, set up your Pi wallet, and submit your KYC documents. Double-check that all your information is accurate to avoid delays. Migrations happen in batches, so patience is still needed. However, the process is now moving faster than ever, and more users are being approved every day. The bottom line is this: KYC and migration are finally making real progress, bringing millions of users closer to actually using their Pi for transactions and real-world value. The dream of a decentralized digital currency is now within reach, and the Pi network is taking big steps toward making it a reality for everyone. So, stay alert for your turn. Your chance to join the mainnet migration could be just around the corner. Beyond user updates, Pi's biggest leap is technical protocol v23 and Rust-based smart contracts. Smart contracts let developers build everything from DeFi to NFTs, no middlemen, just code. This transforms Pi from a simple payment coin to a platform for real-world apps. AI is also being used to speed up KYC and improve network efficiency, though results are still mixed. No-code tools and easy payment libraries lower the barrier for developers, inviting more innovation. The more apps built on Pi, the more valuable and useful the coin becomes. It's a virtuous cycle: more utility, more demand, stronger network. The core team is building not just a coin, but a digital nation. The groundwork for a thriving ecosystem is being laid right now. The future is about real-world use, not just speculation. Not everyone is celebrating. Many pioneers are frustrated by delays. A recent Moderator Appreciation Day post sparked backlash, with users venting about years-long waits for migration and KYC. Early supporters feel left behind. Despite daily contributions to the network, the KYC process remains the top complaint, with many stuck in limbo. The core team's new KYC slots are a step forward, but trust needs to be rebuilt with visible action. The community is split. Some see progress, others see broken promises. Balancing technical progress with user satisfaction is the core team's biggest challenge. Listening to feedback and speeding up solutions will be key to Pi's success. The journey is as much about people as it is about technology. Let's talk price. What's a Pi coin actually worth? Officially, Pi isn't listed on major exchanges yet. Trading is discouraged. Some exchanges offer Pi IOUs, but these are speculative and volatile. As of February 2026, Pi IOUs trade around 14 cents, down from a high of $2.98 last year. The price drop reflects slow progress, user frustration, and uncertainty. The market is in extreme fear, with most indicators signaling sell. With billions of coins in circulation, big price jumps are unlikely soon. The current price mirrors the cautious mood of the community. Where could Pi's price go next? Analysts are cautious. For 2026, predictions range from 14.5 to 25 cents, no big explosions expected. Growth depends on open mainnet launch and a thriving app ecosystem. If Pi delivers, 2027 forecasts rise to 28.34 cents, driven by real utility. Looking further ahead, some predict 90 cents to 107 by 2030 and up to 232 by 2032. These numbers assume Pi becomes a major Web3 player with millions of users. But remember, nothing is guaranteed, and execution is everything. The journey to a $1 pie is a marathon, not a sprint. Value will come from real-world use, not hype. Stay realistic, but stay tuned. What's the core team's vision? It's not about quick profits or hype. Their focus: security, compliance, and building a real DApp ecosystem. Strict KYC ensures a safe, legal network, crucial for global adoption. They're empowering developers with tools for real-world apps, aiming for Pi to be used in daily life, not just traded. The ultimate goal: launch the open network, connecting Pi to the wider crypto world. But they'll only open up when the ecosystem is ready and migration is nearly complete. The message: be patient, stay informed, and help build the future. Sustainable value comes from real utility, not speculation. Pi's success depends on the community's engagement and the team's steady execution. 2026 is a turning point for Pi Network. Mainnet migration, expanded KYC, and smart contracts are building the foundation for a real digital economy. The core team's slow, steady approach frustrates some, but it signals a commitment to lasting value. Community feedback is shaping the project. Criticism pushes improvements, while optimism fuels growth. For pioneers, the path forward is a mix of hope and realism. Stay engaged, complete your checklist, and explore new apps. The journey is long, but progress is real. The next few months will be critical. Will Pi fulfill its promise or fall short? The world is watching as millions prepare to access their coins. Thanks for joining this journey. Stay curious and keep building.